What's going on, everybody? We have an update on Operation Phoenix. It is officially live trading over on the Ethereum side. We're going to go over the price chart as well as the holder count. Let's go ahead and get straight on into this. We saw previously on a post by Operation Phoenix on Twitter, upcoming launch on Ethereum. This was at 3 p.m. Eastern time, and basically it went live almost right on the dot. They had to link over to their Telegram group. They said 5 million tokens from ETH Bridge to have the same launch. Token Builder, the best token builder in DeFi, developed by DeFi Mark, will be live in a few days. So that's something that's still right around the corner that you guys can look forward to. You can easily create any token for any EVM chain. For example, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Base, and many more. The Operation Phoenix NFT pad is live. You can get your NFTs now. That's through operationphoenix-mint.vercel.app. And you guys can see a little preview image right here as well. Let's go ahead and load that up for you. 25% of all mint funds will buy back and burn Operation Phoenix. Funds to buy back and burn, it shows you the amount right there. So just moving over here to the page, you guys can see a little bit better. Connecting your wallet up there in the top right. How many that you want to mint for this. They're 0.05 BNB per NFT. Shows you that there's been 48 minted so far out of 4,200. Okay, now let's go and move over. This is the Operation Phoenix price chart for PancakeSwap. Just want to clarify that for you. This is on the Binance Smart Chain side. So this is looking at it on the weekly chart. I'm actually going to move this over. Let's go daily. Zooming in a tad bit. So been consolidating, moving sideways, trying to break above a key level here on the Fibonacci retracement. We did get a little bit above it yesterday, and we've seen some price decline going down on the day. Frankly, I'm not surprised. There's a decent chance that there's people that decided to sell this and then use the funds, converting it over to Ethereum and then purchasing it on the Ethereum side. The bridge itself is not officially open yet. I want to clarify. So if you're trying to bridge the Operation Phoenix tokens themselves, can't really do that. But if you sell Operation Phoenix, you take that BNB, you go through across chain, bridge it over, and then you want to have that in Ethereum and then do it, you can. It's a lot of extra steps, but obviously if people want to do that, they can. Now here's the thing. Price here on the 1 hour time frame, because of course this just launched. We see that first hour. This shot up a ton, right? Shot up a ton in a very short amount of time. In fact, if I move over to the 15-minute time frame, you can see it was basically right off the bat. So shot up a ton, went up to about 9 cents, and then we saw that sell pressure go through. Move sideways a bit, and essentially we've consolidated at the moment. Okay, so as far as for the bridging goes, between the Binance Smart Chain side and the Ethereum side, we still have to wait a bit. I do want to point out to you guys for this token, a couple key things. So total transactions, 226. It has not been a full 24 hours yet, but currently it's up about 150% from its initial launch price. $313,000 in trading volume, with 164,000 on the buy side versus 149,000 on the sell side. Buys versus sells, way more. There's 173 buys versus 53 sells. Transactions, there's 226. So on the day chart yesterday, even with that pullback, it did close out in the green, albeit just a little bit more, 150% more than its initial launch price. It is sitting above 1 cent. Right now at 0.01698. So that is a discrepancy from what we're seeing on the Binance Smart Chain side. As time goes on, we expect that these two prices will find some sort of a middle ground. So if the Ethereum side gets a strong rally, we very well could see the Binance side also get a rally, vice versa. Looking at the general crypto market here, Bitcoin the last 24 hours down 1.6%. Ethereum is actually up 0.54%. BNB is up 0.27%. BNB, I would keep an eye on, guys. It's above $600 now for a couple days. It's at $624. The all-time high was just under $700. So there is potential BNB can make a strong run. Looking at Solana, it's down 1.7% in the last 24 hours. Market cap, there's a little bit bigger of a gap. These were actually really close between Solana and BNB recently. So Solana's not out of it yet, but BNB has widened that gap a tad bit. Okay. For Operation Phoenix on the Binance Smart Chain side, there's 1,435 holders. Over on the Ethereum side, there's 104. Please remember, this is not even 24 hours yet. And I believe Operation Phoenix has now passed 100 days since it was launched. So 104 holders in less than 24 hours. It's a start. And that's basically it, guys. Last thing, I'll just go over here to Operation Phoenix. There are 2,173 followers. If you're trying to make as much as possible and you have not checked out MargeX yet, this exchange has no KYC. You can get started about 1 minute or so of making an account. And it has leverage trading. So if you want to try and maximize your gains, talking 5x to 100x, what you decide to put in, with margin trading or leverage trading, you can check that out with MargeX. You can buy crypto directly over here too. These are just some examples. You can do copy trading, so you can see how other people are performing. You can offer up your collateral, and then it's basically one click. So that's really cool. They also have staking options, and you can do regular trading too. If you use my referral link in the description below, you can get up to $10,000 in bonuses. It's available in a lot of regions. If it's not available in your region, some people may use a VPN. Obviously, that's your choice. And then there's also HG Access. This is an exclusive trading group. It's over 2,200 members now. And that is through Patreon. If you want to join that, you want to learn more, you can get sneak peeks at tokens that are likely going to be getting videos before they actually drop on a lot of different YouTubers' channels. This is an avenue you can go through. That is, again, down in the description below. Thank you so much to my personal Patreon supporters, Victor Vegas, Rosa Rizvi, for being higher level patrons. My YouTube members for your support as well. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.